Hi everyone, next topic is malate shuttle. Before going to malate shuttle, let me tell you that I told you in glycolysis that glucose having 6 carbon atom is converted to 2 molecules of pyruvate in cytosol. Glycolysis occurs in cytosol and 2 pyruvate molecules are formed. Further metabolism of pyruvate would take place in mitochondria. So pyruvate must enter the mitochondria. But you know that inner mitochondrial membrane is impermeable for many substances. So pyruvate also can't cross directly through inner mitochondrial membrane, but we found that in inner mitochondrial membrane, at inner mitochondrial membrane, there is a transporter. There is a transporter here, or symport. By symport of H ion, pyruvate enter the mitochondria with the help of H ion symport. Question आता है H ion symport. So pyruvate can cross inner mitochondrial membrane with the help of H ion. Malate can cross inner mitochondrial membrane by some transporter, no need to remember. Aspartate can cross inner mitochondrial membrane with the help of some transporter. How to remember? Yes, simply हिंदी निमोनिक पायरुवेट पार कर जाएगा, मैलेट मिलेगा, साइटोसोल में भी मिलेगा और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में भी मिलेगा. एस्पार्टेट नेम इटसेल्फ टेल्स यू दैट ऐसे ही पार कर जाएगा. Now NADH, if we talk about NADH, you ask NADH to enter the mitochondria, it says nah. मतलब no, I will not go, means NADH can't cross mitochondrial membrane, inner mitochondrial membrane. You ask oxaloacetate, it says big cross, means it can't cross inner mitochondrial membrane. Now we will use this concept in malate shuttle. Again, I come to glycolysis. Yes, in glycolysis, I told you it occurred in cytosol and 2 NADH are produced. These 2 NADH produce 2.5 ATP each, total 5 ATP. Yes, by oxidative phosphorylation. And you know oxidative phosphorylation occur in mitochondria by electron transport chain. So these NADH must enter the mitochondria to produce 2.5 ATPs. So how, but you know that NADH can't cross in a mitochondrial membrane. So to transport NADH from cytosol, there is a mechanism that is called malate shuttle. In this mechanism, NADH bind with oxaloacetate and converted to NAD by malate dehydrogenase. And you know malate can cross inner mitochondrial membrane with the help of some transporter. Now malate is converted back to oxaloacetate again by the same enzyme malate dehydrogenase, which is present in mitochondria, and in this reaction NAD is converted to NADH, just opposite. Okay, and so you can say NADH which were present in cytosol now reached mitochondria with the help of malate. So the main function of malate shuttle is transport of NADH from cytosol to mitochondria, and these NADH we all know mainly produced by glycolysis. So malate shuttle is required for glycolysis, not for citric acid cycle, not for gluconeogenesis. Point to note, not gluconeogenesis. Malate shuttle is not required for gluconeogenesis. There is some controversy. I will clear that doubt. For the time being, just remember, if question is asked, malate shuttle is required for, best answer is transport of NADH from cytosol to mitochondria. If option 1 is not given, then you can mark glycolysis. In some question you may find option 1 or 2, 1 and 2 are absent, then you can mark, but it's not the correct. Thank you.